Welcome to CurlyArrows Learn Chemistry with Sibi. A common bond in organic chemistry is the covalent bond. So naturally, understanding the formation of the covalent bond and its reaction becomes crucial because any change in the covalent bond can only occur by bond breaking and making to create new improved molecules and future products. In today's episode, I will answer how does a covalent bond break? Did you know that back in the 1900s, it was believed that a hook and a loop type of closure was the covalent bond that was responsible for holding atoms in a molecule? Interesting, right? Later, this hook and loop idea was discarded when G.N. Lewis in 1916 proposed that two atoms are held in a covalent bond by two electrons. This theory is still relevant today. So, any chemical reaction and molecular transformation must happen by breaking or making of this two electron bond. The two electron covalent bond can break in two ways, equal and unequal. Equal bond breaking, also known as homolytic bond cleavage, breaks the bond to give two separate atoms with one electron each. Such an atom with a single electron is called a free radical. Being electron deficient by one, they are pretty unstable and reactive. The second method is where the two electrons of the bond breaks unequally so that bond electrons go to one atom of the bond. This creates two species, one electron rich by two electrons and the other electron deficient by two. The electron deficient species is assigned a positive and the electron excess species is assigned a negative sign. Since they are charged, these species are also reactive and unstable. These type of bond breakages can happen when energy is supplied to the atoms of the bond to undergo violent vibrations and cleavage. Often, heat and light is used to provide energy. Sometimes, solvent and radical initiators are also used to increase the rate of bond cleavage. Now, if a molecule is made of similar type of atoms having close electronegativity values like carbon, hydrogen, or oxygen, then the bond breaking would most likely be homolytic. However, in the case of dissimilar atoms like carbon-oxygen or carbon-halogen or even hydrogen-halogen, one atom of the bond already has more share of the bond electrons. So even in the bonded state, there is unequal sharing. In such scenarios, bond breaking will occur heterolytically. For more such chemistry-related Q&A, you can also subscribe at curlyarrows.com.